that's another thing entirely. And I know many of you might be asking yourself, what type of book can I publish on Amazon KDP? And most of you might be thinking maybe you can just pick a niche or just a topic and start publishing on Amazon KDP. So we'll be looking at all those type of books you can publish on Amazon KDP. And on my list here, I have evergreen books. Actually, when we say evergreen is actually those contents that are continually relevant. That is, they are always relevant. No matter the amount of years they've used, it will always be relevant. And over here, you can see that evergreen book, they are continually relevant to readers over an extended period of time, often several years. So which means after several years they be published, it will continue to be relevant and people can go to the market and purchase them. So actually on evergreen books, we have so many types and we have so many niches in which you can write on under evergreen. And first one, you can write about health, and under health we have so many things. So many titles and topics in which you can create under health. You can create about disease, you can create about family health, you can create about nutrition, you can create about even under disease. There are so many titles you can still generate. So, and one major thing about Amazon KDP is you have to make sure you have a particular niche you are writing about. You know, let's take this health as an example. Under health, you can write about anything. You can write about disease, and under disease we have so many types of disease. We have kidney disease, we have renal disease, we have so many disease, and you can pick any of them and write create a content about them. And another niche is family. You can create a content about family, maybe about family planning, so like the relationship between families. Just pick a title under, and you can write about career, and you can write about finance. So those are the niches under evergreen. And another example here, those titles you can create under evergreen, we have how to guide. You can write about guides, and you can also write about some guides like travel guides, some guides like that. And you can write about how to tie your shoes, how to plant a rose bush. So you can create things like. But one major thing I want you to know under evergreen is it is everlasting, like it is forever, and it is always relevant over time. So that's that for evergreen. And we have trend books. Now, from the word trend, that means it is just for a particular time. Trend book, they are just like books that talks about a particular event or a particular trending event that is happening at a particular time. So, and you can also pick a title or a niche under it. You can pick a biography of a popular or a well-known person under trend. You can pick maybe an actor, maybe a popular actor like Tom Holland is a popular actor is the one that is actually acting Spider-Man. Those of you that are very frequent in Avengers film, so you will know him very well. And you can also write so many things. You can write about biography of a particular person, a trending movie. Yes, you can write about a trending movie, maybe a series movie that is actually trending in a particular place. And you can write about a trending news. You can write about a trending news and all that. And under trending, one thing I want you to know is a trend book can also be evergreen. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Like a trending book, a trend book can also be evergreen. It can last for so many times. And one major thing about those trends that are evergreen is it will sell for a particular time. Maybe after a month, there will be a low in the sales, and after some months you have your sale back. Again, it has to be what is actually happening at that right time. So, and we have summary books. Summary books is actually about summary about a particular story or a particular film or a particular event you are actually um, you are actually familiar with. So, and you can pick a storybook and read it, break it down, and create a summary about that book. So that is that. And actually, the basic definition of this summary is just a short statement that summarizes or informs the audience of the main ideas of a longer piece of writing. You might have a particular book that is of maybe 500 pages, and after reading it you can just break it down and form and look for some keywords inside that book and put it inside your own book and make it to be a summary of that book. And your own book might just be maybe 50 pages and 60 pages, after breaking down a whole book of over 500 pages. So that is what summary book is. And we have the last one, which is low content book. Low content book, I will tell you that it is very profitable on Amazon KDP, and it is very easy to publish. But one major thing about low content book is just that it is competitive. And when we say low content book, they have low content in them, and each pages they are repeated. Like they have a repeated pattern. Like a notebook now, a notebook is a popular example of low content book. The content that will be there will just be little, but inside it you will find a particular pattern of line inside it. As you are opening the pages, you will see the same pattern, so it is repeated. And examples of them, we have notebooks, we have planners, we have journals, we have sketchbook too. So those are low content books. So you can choose any of these type of books to publish on Amazon KDP. But from my own research, I would say for content book, that is those books that have more content in them, high content books, one thing is summary is more profitable, followed by trend, and followed by evergreen from my own research. And I can also say low content book is very profitable. But one major thing about low content book is it is so competitive, very competitive on Amazon. So that is why I can't really recommend you to publish low content book. But if you are able to do that, you can also go for low content book. So that is that. And lastly, let's look at how we can research and write our books, either evergreen, either trend, or low content book. And first thing is to make a list of topics. You can just sit down and create a topic or a title from yourself, and after that you use a keyword tool to find your keywords, and that is one of the major things before you start publishing on Amazon KDP. And after that, then you create your content, create quality content. In one of my video on how to start your Amazon KDP, I told you that if you don't publish quality books, you won't see much sales. In fact, even if you are going to see a sale in a month, maybe it's just once or twice, you just see a sale in a month. So that is that about that. And so you can pick any of these if you want to publish any book on Amazon KDP. So I will advise you to go for high content books than low content book. So I believe this video is actually helpful for you, and after this video you'll be able to know which or what type of book you can publish on Amazon KDP. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notification bell. Like this video, share to others, and see you in the next video. Thank you.